The all-new Renault Scenic is the very first vehicle that we eco-conceive that is 100% electric and that is made for families. So we've just seen a few images from the all-new Renault Scenic E-Tech 100% electric. It's a really special moment for us because a year ago we had a vision. We called it Scenic Vision. It was a concept. And a year after, we're back with a production car, the living proof on the roads that we inject sustainability in our cars and that we eco-conceive our cars from cradle to grave and even from cradle to cradle. We, in our sustainability strategy, we care for the resources, we care for the planet, and we care for the people. If we start with the resources, the all-new Renault Scenic is made up to 24% of recycled materials. Those 24% of recycled materials are made up of key carbon-intensive materials which we put our focus on. For instance, steel and aluminum. Up to 37% of the ferrous components of the vehicle come from recycled sources. Another example of the recycled materials can be proven with the textiles. Up to 100% of the textile of the vehicle come from recycled sources, including closed loop, because some of them are made up of old seat belts from vehicles. Up to 90% of the car is recyclable. And we really did focus on the battery for its recyclability and its repairability. Indeed, the battery, which is 87 kilowatt-hour for the all-new Renault Scenic, this battery is repairable. And if we talk about decarbonization, the car is indeed low carbon. It's up to 2/3 less carbon intensive in its footprint than its ICE equivalent, an ICE Scenic, for instance. Why? Because obviously, first, it's electric, so it's zero CO2 in usage. It's also produced in France, in plants which will be net zero in production in 2025. And it's also low carbon because it's lighter compared to competition. Caring for the people means that we injected the car with a tech-driven, very pragmatic safety features. These pragmatic safety features are meant to address the root causes of accidentology on the roads in Europe today. Indeed, 23,000 people die on the roads today, and 90% of it is due to a human factor. And so the safety features that we injected the all-new Renault Scenic with, namely the safety coach, the safety score and the rescue items, those three major priorities are meant to address the root causes of accidentology on the roads. And so the all-new Renault Scenic can cover up to 70% of the root causes of fatalities on the roads. The transformation that the Renault Group is going through is an inclusive one. And the all-new Renault Scenic also stands for that. Why? Because it's made in France, in plants that, namely Cléa in Western France and the electricity pole in Northern France, that have been reskilled and upskilled by the Renault University. So the employees that produced the engine, that assembled the car, have been reskilled and upskilled in the past 2 years so that they were embarked in this transformation of the company, in the electrification of the lineup. So all in all, the all-new Renault Scenic is the embodiment of our sustainability strategy. It ensures a fair transition to low carbon and safer mobility for everyone.